Mark your calendars. Phase 1 and 2 go live.
When Eruptio Windows Entertainment Edition Verizon 19034A.
And he died from Robbie Rotten.
No turn off or your chance take off.
Mark your calendars.
Oh, you turn off
Phase
your
1 and 2
Windows
go
Entertainment
live.
Edition build 1903, that's IT2 more
When
left, do not
Eruptio
do it.
Windows
Entertainment Edition 19034A.
And he died from Robbie Rotten.
No turn off or your chance take off.
Mark your calendars.
I take off and trances. That's at ground system.
And he died from Robbie Rotten.
No turn off or your chance take off.
Oh no, I got the blue screen of doom and now I have to upgrade to Windows Entertainment Edition version 1907 do his world in
years time to scare you.
Oh no, I got the blue screen of doom and now I have to upgrade to Windows Entertainment Edition version 1907 do his world